vitamin K is actually important. It's found in 3 proteins that are important for bone health. So vitamin K dependent proteins are actually found in our bone. So that tells us that vitamin K is important. Now, there's still a lot of studies that are going on. They do know that it's important. They do know that it's an important aspect of these proteins that are part of bone health. So they do want you to get vitamin K. We do know that vitamin K and vitamin D together will work together to really help model bone, meaning really help increase and help that bone density. So here we have those nutrients working together again. It's not just one, it's not just calcium, it's not just vitamin D. Now we have vitamin D not only working with calcium, but we have vitamin D working with vitamin K, and vitamin K being a part of the proteins that are so important. So it's a wonderful big picture. So getting that vitamin K. Now, where can you find vitamin K? Vitamin K is actually found in the largest amount in cooked green vegetables, leafy greens. So it's wonderful to eat your salads with spinach and kale and all your arugula and all those other wonderful greens, but don't forget to eat your cooked greens. I don't know if you've ever heard of the nurses study. There was a big study done with tens of thousands of nurses, and it was done over a 10-year plus period. And what they found in that study is that women that ate 1 serving of cooked greens increased their vitamin K enough that it helped prevent fractures of the femur. So we're asking just 1 serving of cooked greens. So a serving of greens is about a cup, maybe a nice big handful of raw, or cooking that down. And you know, greens shrink, so it's not too much volume to eat. Getting that into your diet. Cooked greens, 1 serving a day can really boost your vitamin K, and that will help with your bone health. Now, if you're on anticoagulants and you are limited in vitamin K, you do want to take that into consideration. You do want to talk with your physician because it can affect that. If you're on blood thinners, you do want to be wary. You may have already been warned, but in general, vitamin K is excellent.